days, you are students, but gradually you will become researchers. You will know your teachers. They know it well. That these days we conduct research for maximizing its impact. That maximum public is engaged with our findings. They use our research. So this is something good, but it has negative effects too. What are those? Impact is measured, numerically. How many people view your page, your website? How many people give comments on your research? How many people download it? And so on. To maximize impact, researchers increase public engagement. For public engagement, they knowingly select controversial topics which can be debated, which can be contested, which can invite different opinions. Because only such kind of topic can attract people, can engage public. For example, transgender these days is a hot topic. So transgenderism can be selected. They make provocative arguments. Our second tool in their hands is they issue such statements which can provoke debate, which can initiate debate. For example, why are women given right to vote? This statement would definitely will start a debate. Some people would favor it, some people would argue against it. They present research findings as very important or life-changing. This is the third way they can engage public. For example, they claim that our study of female students will change many stereotypes or cultural norms. I am conducting a research and it would definitely affect the stereotypes, the gender biases which are found in our society. In this way, impact becomes only a kind of publicity, because the researcher wants to engage people, to invite their attention, and all these strategies are used by the researcher, so it becomes a kind of publicity of the researcher and his or her research. The publicity or public attention is also something valuable for a researcher. It is valued, highly valued by universities. They use the research work to improve the public image of their university and for even higher rankings of the universities. But this public attention can invite, sometimes if you issue such statement which can arouse difference of opinion or violence, so you have to face public wrath. Public का गुस्सा फिर आपके पीछे होगा, and you will be all alone. Nobody would safeguard you. Even your university will leave you alone. So these are the hazards, these are the dangers which you can face while maximizing your impact. Sometimes media denies access to researcher because he or her work challenges stereotypes in society, and wider public doesn't like that researcher because of this kind of innovative or unusual, unconventional views.